Hey guys, it's Sean from M-Tech Performance. Today we have the shop cart inside the shop. It is getting a double low side fuel pump setup from Raceworks. This does still retain the stock fuel pumps with the two 450s. To start off with putting this kit together, you do have to take off all these side panels right here on the driver's side. You are going to have to drop all these heat shields, the exhaust. If you have a factory exhaust, you're obviously going to have to take it off from the front all the way out to the back. We do have the single mid pipe on here, so we're just going to take off from here to the back of the muffler. After we take all that off, we do have to drop the tank down. Not all the way, but just halfway, so we can get all the lines and everything in. Oh, that's not on. That's not on. Right now, we're just pulling off the top hat. Pro tip, drain the tank completely. Everything, the whole nine.